Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about app called Carbridge. So what is Carbridge? Carbridge is actually an application that you can connect to your car to watch YouTube videos, Netflix. So you can connect Carbridge in your car if you have CarPlay or if you have some other multimedia system that's working on Android. So most of guys these days use Carbridge with their Apple CarPlay in their cars, and also this works with any multimedia, any player that you have in your car that's running on Android system. So you can basically use Carbridge to play Netflix, to play YouTube, to watch Netflix, to watch YouTube in your car. All of that is possible with Carbridge application. It works on iOS and Android. You can install it on both devices, and it's pretty good things if you want to enjoy your ride, or at least your passenger to enjoy the ride, because I don't recommend you watching at Netflix while you are driving, but maybe your kid can watch, or your wife. Doesn't matter. Carbridge is the best app for that if you want to watch videos, YouTube videos, Netflix and anything else in your car. It supports both the Apple CarPlay and Android systems, multimedia Android systems that are installed in your car. So how to get Carbridge on iPhone and Android? So there are two steps that you have to do. First step is to hit the settings. So here in the settings we have two things that we have to do. The first thing is only for iOS user, and second thing is for both iOS and Android. So thing number one, only for iPhone users. In the settings, visit General, then visit Background App Refresh, and be sure the Background App Refresh is switched on. So if it's off or on Wi-Fi, switch it to Wi-Fi and mobile data. So why is this so important? When we are downloading Carbridge, all files that we need later to connect Carbridge with our Apple CarPlay or Android system in our car, if the Background App Refresh is off, it might skip installing some files, and those files might be really important. Then you might experience crashes, it will stop working without any notice, and sometimes maybe it will not work at all. So it's really important to switch Background App Refresh on in the settings like I showed you. So this is only for iOS. The second thing in the settings that we want to change is for both Android and iOS users. We should go to your battery settings, and we have low power mode here. If it's on, switch it to off. So low power mode has to be switched off. On iOS it looks like this, and in battery setting it's called low power mode, and we have to switch it off. On Android devices it can be called differently. So it can be called battery saving mode. It can be called, I don't know, low power mode, anything like that. So switch it off. To summarize, in your settings, find battery settings, and any mod that actually is there to save you battery if you are on low percent battery has to be switched off. It can be called power saving mode, battery saving mode, or on iPhone low power mode. You have to switch that off. And the last step in order to get Carbridge on iOS or Android is to go to this website right here. You can use Safari, Chrome, whatever browser you want. So we are going to scroll down a little bit. Let's see where it is. Carbridge, here it is. If you want to find it easier, you can always use this search bar on the top of the page. So I'm going to type Carbridge here, and it's going to pop up. So when I press on this, you can see it has over 100k downloads, so it's really popular. As I said, it's really popular for CarPlay, Apple CarPlay these days, but it works on Android multimedias as well. And it says play YouTube, Netflix and more in your car. So to start installing this on your device, just press on start now, and the whole process is going to start. So later you will need to download one additional app in order to successfully download CarPlay, Apple CarPlay Carbridge, in order to install Carbridge files, but that's really easy. You will have also YouTube guide how to do that as well, and you will be successfully finished that. Just follow everything till the end. I cannot show you because of copyright, but it's really easy. Follow everything along, and you should install Carbridge on your iPhone, iOS or Android device. So if you are new on this channel, guys, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and smash the notification bell button. That's really important because I often upload updated version of the many apps and mods, including Carbridge. So if you want to have the updated version that works the best, it's actually really useful to have a notification bell button turned on, so you get newest updated version of mods that you are using in this case Carbridge. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you will have an amazing day. amazing working week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.